What do we have? What do we have? What do we have here, guys, girls, gentlemen and germs? What do we have here? Ooh. Let's get a wash. Let's wash her up. Yeah. Just rough chop, 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 rough chop. How was y'all Halloween? My Halloween was freaky. We'll do a little jalapeno. A little bit of jalapeno. Get it off in there. You know, I like spice. I like spice. Not ice spice. But, you know, ice spice can get it too, but it, you know, it's enough. It's enough ninjas on her already. We'll give her a rest, right? We'll give Ice Spice a rest, man. Or no, it's a package deal. Deal with it. Get a little. Yeah. You like the way I do it, don't you, girl? You like the way I do it, don't you, girl? Guess what? Yep. You know I'm skipping the jalapeno, the tomato, avocado. Yeah. This one feels like it's like just right. Oh, yeah. My slices over here. Ooh. Tricky. Because avocado is so mushy, you know? So, it can get mushy. It can get mushy. It can definitely get that way. Last but not least, I have carrots. But we ain't gonna dice them carrots. We're gonna put them right in the little processor. Put them right in the processor. Let the processor take care of it. Yeah. Carrots, carrots, carrots. Baby carrots. We're gonna fill it up. Get it locked in. I love this thing. Voila. Voila, gotta love it. Gotta love it. Gots to love it. Lettuce. Got chopped lettuce. Make sure I get plenty on there. Kept it refrigerated until it was time to start dressing the salad. Let me go ahead and do this now. I seasoned my salad. You got Salad Supreme here. McCormick product. And we got some black pepper here. Over here. Yeah. All right. Let's get it. That tomato, onion, jalapeno. I should have. Oh man, y'all forgot eggs. How y'all let me forget the eggs? Y'all suck. You know what? Y'all suck, bro. Got the shredded carrots. Those slices of avocado. Yeah. A little bit more of that tomato, jalapeno. Like Olive Garden. Say when. Y'all will never say when. Never out here. Never say when. Y'all will say lose. Apparently, I'll never say win too, huh? Cheese is just something you can't get enough of, you know? You know what I'm saying? You feel me? It stayed. It wasn't ready for the video. It was not ready. We're gonna cross it. We'll go back cross. And